So today I'm making one review of this camera. What camera? This is a Dashcam camera. Dashcam, Procus IRIS Dashcam. What has happened is this is of no use actually, because two reasons I will tell. One is it has got periodic cyclic recording. Cyclic recording means it will record over the whatever it has recorded over and again. Okay, one thing. And the duration of the recording is 1 minute, 2 minutes and 3 minutes. It will record in 720p and 1080p. That's not an issue. Quality of the picture is not the issue. Here what has happened is, if at all, I met with two small accidents. And whenever the accident has happened, that time only the camera has not recorded. Small accidents. Perhaps this camera requires a very impactful and very big, huge this an accident to record, wherein the camera should shake, then it will get up and it will wake up and record. If that is the case, then no use. Certain things it has to record continuously. It is not recording in such fashion. For example, just going on the road, something happens suddenly, you should record. Either somebody has come and hit me or I go and hit someone. You should record. If it is not recording, what is the use? That is the main disadvantage of this dash cam. So I don't know what to tell, whether to recommend people to buy it or not. But thing is, this is it won't work. This is what it is. It will simply record whenever it wants. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. 2 minutes setting you give. It will record for 2 minutes and then it will take a break and then again it will record. How much time it will take break? I have not checked that, but it will take a break. In between anything happens, it won't record. And 3 minutes duration also. For 3 minutes it will record. And after that, only some duration it won't record. And again, finally, what it will do? It will, this one, only space available is only 32 GB. That's all. It will get, in one round, if you go 1.5 or 2 hours, it will get, full. The memory card is full. So I don't think, I'll recommend people to buy this.